Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma website. First, open Figma and start a new design file. You'll want to set up your canvas with standard web dimensions, perhaps 1440 pixels wide for a desktop view. Organize your work using pages for different sections and frames for individual screens. This structured approach will make your design process much smoother and more efficient from the very beginning. Now, let's dive into designing your website's visual layout. Use Figma's intuitive tools to craft your pages, focusing on user experience and aesthetics. Create reusable components for elements such as buttons, navigation bars, and footers. This saves a lot of time. Apply consistent styling throughout your design by defining text styles and color palettes, ensuring a cohesive and professional look across all your pages. Once your design is complete, it's time to bring it to life with prototyping. Connect your various design frames to simulate how users will navigate through your website. Add interactive elements such as hover states for buttons and click actions for links, making the experience dynamic. Thoroughly test your prototype to identify any usability issues and ensure a smooth, logical flow for your future website visitors. Finally, prepare your Figma design for the development phase. Organize your file meticulously, ensuring all layers are clearly named and grouped for easy understanding by developers. Export all necessary assets, such as images and icons, in appropriate formats like SVG or PNG. Share your interactive prototype and detailed design specifications with your development team, providing them with everything needed to build your website accurately and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.